Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Miss English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, everyone. We're so happy to be here with you again.
Yes, today's episode is special. It's about overcoming challenges.
That's right. Life can be difficult sometimes. We all face problems, failures, and tough days. But those moments help us grow stronger.
Exactly. We'll talk about how to face challenges, how to stay positive, and how to keep learning even when things are hard.
And of course, we'll learn some great English vocabulary, phrases, and idioms about this topic.
So let's start our day with some energy. Repeat after me. I can do hard things.
Nice. One more time, everyone. I can do hard things.
David, have you ever faced a big challenge in your life?
Oh, yes, many times. One big challenge was when I moved to another country. Everything was new. The language, the culture, even the food.
That sounds difficult. How did you overcome it?
At first, I was scared. I didn't understand people, and I made mistakes every day. But I kept practicing. I talked to people, watched English movies, and slowly it became easier.
That's a great example. I remember when I was learning English pronunciation, I used to feel shy to speak, but I practiced every day in front of the mirror.
That's the spirit. Practice makes progress. Vocabulary spotlight. Challenge. Struggle. Effort. Improve. Practice. Repeat after us. I used to struggle, but now I'm improving every day.
Say it again with confidence. I used to struggle, but now I'm improving every day.
Let's talk about mindset. Do you know what it means?
A mindset is the way you think about things. If you believe you can get better, you have a growth mindset.
Yes. When you think, I can't do this, you stop growing. But when you think, I'll try my best, you open the door to success.
I love that. There's a famous idiom. Every cloud has a silver lining.
That means even when things are bad, something good can come from it.
Another one, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It means turn your problems into something positive.
Let's practice positive phrases together. Don't give up. Every step counts. You're stronger than you think.
Now repeat. Every step counts. Good. I can grow through what I go through. Many students say learning English is hard. Do you agree, David?
Sometimes, yes, but the key is to enjoy the process. Learning English is like climbing a mountain, one step at a time.
Yes. Here are some common challenges English learners face. Grammar confusion, pronunciation problems, lack of confidence.
Let's fix that together. Tip 1. Speak a little every day. Tip 2. Make mistakes proudly. Tip 3. Listen more than you speak.
Repeat after us. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm improving day by day.
Exactly. Mistakes are your teachers.
Now, let's share a story. There was a student named Anna. She failed her English test 3 times. She wanted to quit, but her teacher told her, "Don't give up. Try one more time." She studied hard, listened to English every day, and spoke with friends. Guess what? She passed her test and even got the highest score in her class.
Wow! That's an inspiring story.
Yes, it reminds us that consistency is more important than perfection. Vocabulary spotlight. Determination. Effort. Patience. Success.
Repeat after me, step by step, little by little. Keep moving forward.
Let's talk about confidence.
Confidence doesn't mean you never feel scared. It means you try even when you're scared.
Exactly. Let's do a mini role play. You're a student in a restaurant. You want to order food in English.
Hello, what would you like today?
Can I have a chicken sandwich, please?
Of course. Would you like a drink?
Yes. A glass of water, please.
Perfect. See? That was easy.
Useful sentences. Can you please repeat that? I'm learning. Thank you for your patience.
And my favorite idiom, fake it till you make it. It means act confident, and one day you really will be.
Sometimes the hardest challenges are not physical, they're emotional.
Yes, feeling nervous, disappointed, or sad is normal. But emotions pass, and you grow.
Vocabulary. Nervous. Frustrated. Hopeful. Proud.
Let's practice comforting phrases. I understand how you feel. You're not alone. You're doing your best.
Remember, even small progress is progress.
Some challenges happen every day, like time management, distractions, or comparing ourselves to others.
Right. Here's what helps me. Focus on your own path. Set small goals. Celebrate small wins. Vocabulary. Focus. Goal. Habit. Consistency.
Repeat, I'm learning to stay focused. I'm proud of my progress.
Now, let's practice some positive English affirmations together. Repeat after us. I can face any challenge. I'm stronger than I think. Every mistake helps me grow. I believe in myself.
Great job. Let's do a quick quiz.
What does "when life gives you lemons, make lemonade" mean?
It means turn problems into opportunities.
Correct. And what does "practice makes perfect" mean?
If you keep practicing, you'll improve.
Perfect answer. Before we finish, let's remember today's big lessons.
Number 1. Believe in yourself. Number 2. Practice with patience. Number 3. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, and remember this quote. Every mountain you climb teaches you how strong you are.
So true. Everyone listening, think about one challenge you're facing now. Say it out loud. I can handle it.
That's beautiful. You are capable, smart, and strong.
Thank you for joining us today on the Miss English podcast.
Keep learning, keep growing.
And keep shining.
This was Miss English Podcast, Overcoming Challenges. See you next time.